popping bottles.
Got the booty.
Let's try not to get stranded today.
I'll try.
You guys get tired of this? I don't.
I don't get tired of it.
Harcourt, what kind of tree is this? I need to know. I'd like to know. What type of tree are you? Have fun at the Dead Guy Festival. Dead Frozen Guy.
I sure do have a cowboy. Like chasing poo. Driving up to Netherlands for the Frozen Dead Guy Festival. Should be interesting. I'm working for my company. I just downloaded Paula Cole's album because I'm about to lose service. It's gonna be a good ride. Getting excited because she's gonna be here at the Dove. So I'm really excited. Made it up here. Brr, it's a little cold and I forgot my good socks. Luckily I have these in my trunk. There's where I need to go. Silver stems right there. Respectable artist. She's so good. I'm really excited to see her.
Look at that light on my face. My session's canceled because I guess they were turning up at like 8 a.m. and they don't think that I can check Instagram really easily. You've heard of Whole Foods. What about Whole Pets? Check out this big stick I found. It's a whip. When nature calls, go to a man-made thing in nature and pee in it. This is the bathroom. Look at all that beetle kill. Beetles killed those trees. It's crazy.
The little changes for the magic beans. I forgot to put the guitar in there. It happens.
It happens, people, okay?